Hey everyone, Richard Tokar here. Is your computer feeling a little slow, like it's dragging its feet? Well, today I'm going to show you a free tool from Microsoft that can give your PC a real boost. It's called PC Manager. Stick around and we'll get your computer running like new again. So first things first, we need to download PC Manager. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just click the link in the description below. That'll take you straight to the official Microsoft website. This is important because we want to make sure we're getting the real deal and not something dodgy. Once you're there, just click the download button. That should take you straight to the Microsoft Store where you can install the software. All right, let's see what this thing can do. This is the main screen, the dashboard. See the big blue button that says Boost? That's like giving your computer a shot of espresso. Click it, and PC Manager will close any unnecessary programs running in the background, freeing up resources and making your computer faster. Now, let's check out Health Check. This is like a checkup for your computer. Scans for junk files, things that are slowing you down, and any potential security problems. Just click Proceed and let it do its thing. Click Done and it returns you to the main screen. Hey, now let's talk about storage. Over time, your computer can get filled up with files you don't need anymore. PC Manager can help with those too. Click on Deep Cleanup to find and delete those old files, freeing up space. Some items will be selected automatically and some will be optional. I personally select everything, but you use your discretion. Once cleanup is complete, click Done to return to the main screen. And while we're at it, let's look at Startup. This is a game changer. When you turn on your PC, a bunch of programs might start automatically, slowing things down. PC Manager scans them and recommends what should or shouldn't start up. Just follow its suggestions. Tweak what you want, and the next time you reboot, your system should launch way faster. When you're done, click the back arrow to return to the main screen. Hey, now let's talk about pop-ups, those annoying interruptions we all hate. To access this feature, click on Protection in the left-hand toolbar. Once you're in Protection, select Pop-up Management. Here you can click Enable Pop-up Block to turn this feature on. This will block unwanted pop-ups, keeping your screen clean and distraction-free. Just a heads up though, some programs might need pop-ups to function properly, so be sure to use your discretion. Once you're finished, click the back arrow to return to the main screen.
It looks amazing!
Look at that! That looks like what you would buy from a store.
It should have been.
So before we wrap up, let me show you one more thing. To access some handy features in PC Manager, you want to click on Settings in the left-hand toolbar. First, there's the Smart Boost option. You can toggle this on and PC Manager will automatically optimize your PC in the background whenever it detects performance issues. It's like having a personal assistant for your computer. And if you want PC Manager to always be ready when you start your computer, you can set it to launch automatically when you log into Windows. Just toggle Start PC Manager or Log On in the settings. It's super convenient. So there you have it. PC Manager is a great free tool that can help keep your PC running smoothly. It's easy to use and it can really make a difference. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how much faster your PC feels. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.